My name is Mohammad El Zeftawi. I'm the General Manager for Masaood Commercial Vehicles and Equipment. Actually, Masaood is the first established company in Abu Dhabi Chamber of Commerce, so we have been here for the last 50 years. We are very committed towards Abu Dhabi and towards UAE. In our division, which is part of Al Masaood Group, we are presenting UD trucks from Japan, Renault trucks from France, Oshkosh firefighting from USA, TCM and Unicarrier forklifts from Japan. This is a long journey, so waste management, we decided long time back that it's one of the main segments, and we need to be a key players within these segments. So we started this long time back to prepare ourselves to be as a leader where we are actually today. So in terms of the right specification for the truck, the right configurations, and to be environmentally friendly. And today is to show the case where we have been reached. As I mentioned, Al Masaood is committed towards the sustainability initiatives taken by Abu Dhabi government, and in the waste management, it's very clear and very obviously that the zero emission is one of the goals for the whole Abu Dhabi, and we in Al Masaood, we are very proud to carry our responsibilities towards this goal. So, frankly speaking, we are not signing directly with Tadweer. Tadweer is the end user at the end of the day, but we are signing through the service provider.
All right.
And we are very linked to the service provider, which is in alphabetic orders. It is Averda, BIA, Lavajet, and West Coast. And we are getting our orders signed through these companies. But at the end of the day, we are all partners. And the goal is the same, is again to reach to zero emission by 2050. I think that Tadweer was always a leader in this area. So I still remember when the market has no specific requirements toward the environmental, Tadweer was aiming for Euro 3. And when we reached to this as a general requirements by the market, again, Tadweer raised up and left up the standard to be Euro 4. And today we are very proudly presenting our brands, whether UD and Renault, as Euro 5. So again, we can see that through the time we are developing, and we are again trying our best to match our goals. Again, we are giving waste management just as an example, and the reason for that is they are the leader. They're always having the first initiative for that. But when it comes to our also normal fleets, we are no longer having anything less than Euro 5 within our fleets, which we are supplying to all our partner. And we are also very proud to say that we are taking ahead steps. So we are going to launch and supply the first fully electrical truck to Tadweer and to our clients. And the truck is supposed to be on the ground maximum by end of March. It's fully electrical. That means it's the first fully electrical truck, not only in Abu Dhabi, but in the region. I think that the market has been developed a lot through the last few years. And what we were talking about several years back is becoming a fact today. So at a certain time, nobody was talking about Euro standard. Today we are talking about Euro 5, and this is the minimum requirement we are providing to our clients. And I see that UAE has always been the first initiative within the region. Going forward for electrical and clean energy trucks, it's happening. Maybe it will need some few times more, but we are heading towards that. When we are talking about sustainability, it's not only the environmental sustainability in terms of the emission, it's also how much parts we are consuming, because the more you are producing parts or the more you are consuming parts, that means you are hurting the environment as well. So we are trying our best to provide our clients with a total solution. So we always keen to look after the trucks for the whole life cycle, which we make sure that during whole life cycle, we are matching our sustainability goals. We are very proud to present Renault and UD, and they are both from the first companies who is looking after sustainability goals. And when it comes to the principle, again, you cannot play a major role in changing their policies, but we are luckily having two major players in the sustainability or leaders, which we are very proud to present.